10 benefits of daily exercise. 1. Improve on your memory and mind capability, all ages. 2. Safeguard against numerous ongoing illnesses. 3. Lower circulatory strain and further develop heart well-being. 4. Help in weight management and weight loss. 5. Diminish sensations of depression and anxiety. 6. You will get a better night's sleep. 7. Physical activity helps you build muscles and strong bones. 8. Exercise can be a genuine energy booster for some individuals, incorporating those with different conditions. 9. One more seasoned investigation discovered that a month and a half of ordinary activity decreased sensations of fatigue for 700 individuals who had detailed relentless weakness. 10. With daily activity, your heart turns out to be more proficient and adroit at moving oxygen into your blood, making your muscles more productive. Subscribe for more.